Howdy, my name is Kadie Graves. This is my final Chem 120 lab project. I'm in section 592 with Natalie Vest, and we're making butter. Howdy! Okay, so I just got done shaking my first butter. So this is the cold butter. It's kind of hard to see, but there's all the liquid in there is buttermilk from the fat that in the liquid that has been separated. And if you look inside, let's see if I can show you. There's butter down here. Yum. Okay, so outfit change, but same concept. I have the same amount of heavy cream. This is heavy cream, by the way. That's all that's in here. You can see it's one solution, not separated, regular heavy cream like you'd make whipping cream with. I have a different bottle, but I just did that to show you so you can see better in the clear bottle, but same amount of heavy cream, but this time it is about more than room temperature. I have the temperatures recorded down, but this is the warmer one. So before it was the cold one, this is the room temperature heavy cream. And so I'm going to time it and see how long it takes. Okay, so to explain the science behind my butter experiment, just to go over what I did, I used a heavy cream that was around 40 degrees Celsius. It took about 9 minutes to make the butter after shaking. And then I used heavy cream that was around room temperature or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it only took about 3 minutes to make the butter. And so, just to go over the science behind that, I'm going to explain Le Chatelier's principle a little bit with this. So when we increased our temperature, we were able to make more butter faster because Le Chatelier is always looking for equilibrium, and since temperature was a reactant, when that increased, it's going to shift the overall reaction to the right to restore equilibrium. Also, we have the second law of thermodynamics. So when we increase the temperature, we were able to increase the entropy and disorder of the fat molecules in the butter, so they were able to separate and more collisions were able to happen, and therefore our reaction rate increased. That's why our time decreased. So when you increase the temperature, you're increasing the entropy because those fat molecules are hitting each other more and able to stick together to make butter. And so here's my equation for my butter, and then we have the buttermilk, as you can see, and then the butter, which is a solid.